Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like past couple of months, it's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this one on a routine basis, including yesterday, so that's where the green line and red line annotations are coming from, and they definitely both still pertain to the chart. Definitely, though, the green line there, that is a level that I talked about yesterday, and certainly played a role in today's price action. And if you have not watched the past videos, this green line is denoting 63 cents, and like I said, it talks about, or I talk about this being a level of support. And this is just based off of how the price has reacted, in the recent past. You can see there the bears try to press below it. Bulls held strong. Bulls held strong once again. And then you fast forward to this afternoon, and you can see the bears were back at it, trying to press down below there. But to give credit where credit's due, the bulls once again are holding up strong. However, the price is definitely on thin ice here. There's not much wiggle room before, really if the price drops any further, that would put it down below the green line. And from a technical perspective, that's what, just a good old-fashioned technical breakdown is. And the big reason why you don't want to see a technical breakdown, other than the fact that it's a breakdown, is more so within the broader context of the chart. And that context at this point in time, in terms of a breakdown, would literally be putting the price back inside of this range. And that range is so important because this was the range that it was at before the big move even happened. Before this great move happened here, it was down in this range. So the last thing you want to see the price do is go back into that range where it was before it all started. And that's what's at risk right now if 63 cents cannot hold. But again, to be fair to the bulls, 63 cents is holding strong. But definitely from the broad scope of things, storybook perspective, you want to see the price stay up above that 63 cent mark because that's going to keep it out of this previous range that it broke out from. Now, in the event this level of support does hold and the price starts to bounce, 2 key levels of resistance to keep an eye on. First level is going to be the the pink line right there. Back to kindergarten for me so I can learn my colors. But that pink line is denoting the 200 period simple moving average. And then if the price can break up above there, next key level is right up there around the 72 cent mark, which is denoted by that red line there. But really, in my opinion, at least right now, top priority is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is stabilizing. And so far, so good. The price is attempting to stabilize at 63 cents, but you certainly want to see this price action continue, going into next week. So we'll see how this all unfolds next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.